Hey guys, so today I am here and I am going to tell about a small topic, that is why ice floats on water. Floats on water. So this question will be solved on the basis of the density of water first. So what is water density? We have to first know about the water density. Like when does something floats on water and when does something sinks in water? Suppose this is the water level. So if we suppose put a needle, okay, so this needle, when we put this needle in the water, it will sink, it will go into the deep, into the bottom. Suppose this is the bottom level. But like ice, why ice floats in water? Because the density of ice is less than liquid water. And how it happens? Because of the shapes, the ice, the crystal structure of ice. Due to the shape and structure of ice, there is some air spaces which enable ice to float on water. So this is the reason. This is where the ice floats on water, and we can see in there are some seas where the ice sheets are there in the above layer. You can walk in the above layer of the ice, but it will not break because the thick ice layer gives us a way to walk over the ice, and it's a very good feeling. And we can find this type of places in Antarctica. And this place is in the polar region. And in the pole, the polar region gets less sunlight due to the shape of the earth we have. Because we have to draw the picture, okay? So let's just wait for one. I have to erase all these things, then I will erase this concept in front of you. Okay. So first, suppose this is the sun. Okay. And suppose this is our earth, and this is the midline, or the line which separates our earth into two equal halves. And this line is known as equator. The sunlight directly falls on the equatorial region, this region, and this is known as the torrid region, torrid region. And the sun falls directly on this region. And this is the polar region. This is the North Pole, and this is the South Pole. So when the sunlight falls on the polar region, it is very less as compared to equatorial region. That's why due to the less temperature, this area is almost all the time there is cold region, like there is cold all the time. So this is where this area is known as cold region, and this polar region always feels cold. And if we want to travel this area, then we have to choose the best time. And which is the best time? Mostly in polar region, 6 months. 6 months is day, and 6 months is night. So we have to choose this 6 months time when there is only day, not night. We feel not this night time, we only feel this daytime. And you all know about this story, okay? Like why the sunlight is so less, because when the sunlight falls directly on this region, it will feel much hotter. And the people who are living in this area, like the country Africa, Ecuador, something, I have to look on the map. So the people living in this area are dark skinned people. Dark skinned people, because when the sunlight falls on the body, our body secretes some pigment. This is called the melanin pigment. Melanin, I think. This pigment gives the body color, and the more it will secrete in the body, the people will be more black. And the people who are living in this region, like this line is the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer, and this line is the Tropic of Capricorn. So the area above the Tropic of Cancer and the polar region, these people are white skinned people due to the less secret of melanin pigment. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the video and my channel, and thank you.